Hi everyone, welcome back. In this yoga video, we are going to do a pose called frog pose. So, if you're not seated on the floor already, go ahead and come down into a seated position and we will move into frog pose together. So what you're gonna do once you're seated is you are going to take both of your feet and you are going to place them flat on the floor with your knees out wide. Then you're gonna place your hands at your chest. And if you want, you can stick your tongue out like you're a frog. You can even make a rivet sound like a frog. And once you get all of that out, make all the rivet noises you would like, I want you to take a big, deep breath into your body and exhale. And one more big, deep breath into your body and exhale. You can continue doing this pose if you'd like, or you can join me for our next video where we learn the lion pose.